Good morning guys. Alam mo guys, nagising ako ng maaga. Bakit? May meeting ang mga demonyo sa tenga ko. Yeah. We have a meeting in my ears to destroy my sleeping. Yeah. Ibang klase talaga sa Denmark. I'm miles away already. They still making noise. And you know, they are very, very proud to their country. Yeah, how nice they are. Very nice. Yeah, they will make you irritating. You need to smile them back. Yeah, they make you idiot. You need to smile them back. Yeah, kiss their ass. Yeah, and said, thank you for idiot life that you done to me. Yeah, thank you for idiot life that you done every day and never change. And you don't have plan to change the routine life. Yeah. Alam mo sa totoo lang, Denmark, yung pambubuli nyo sa akin, wala namang kwenta. Naghahanap kayo ng, ng ebidensya kung paano ko sinasakit ang anak ko. Until now, Denmark, after how many decades in life, wala kayong evidence, you don't have any evidence that I hurt my own daughter. Para kayong ulol, yeah. Para kayong asong ulol ng tahol. Wala kayong dignidad sa sarili nyo. Bakit? Dahil kung may dignidad kayo, if you have a dignity, you know how to respect other person's private life. Alam mo sa Denmark, sa totoo lang, yung pambubuli nyo sa akin, wala namang kwenta. Yung kwento nyo na sinasabi nyo, your story is, I make trouble to student. Honest is, I didn't make trouble. Student make trouble to me that I want in the beginning that you talk student. Stop bullying. Yes. Rohelia is a ring assistant. She is not a entertainer in school. You want me to be a entertainer? Denmark, why you didn't hide me as a entertainer? Besides Denmark, I want to try a nice job. Yeah. And I'm very friendly to Denmark. As long that they can talk to me English, Danish, no problems. Yeah. Besides, it's Europe, right? I don't know why you're very loyal to your own language. Bakit nga ba napaka-loyal nyo sa language nyo, Denmark? Tapos yung ordinary foreigner like me, the ordinary foreigner like me, you make bullshit, yeah. You make bullshit to make irritating, yeah. And then if we cannot smile because you make us irritating, it's our fault. And then you make it more bigger problems. Sa totoo lang, Denmark, napakayabang nyo. You're the most arrogant type of person. Yeah. Napaka-arrogante nyo. Hindi nyo makontrol ang mga bunganga nyo. You cannot control how to make trouble all the time. Yeah. Imagine from Aarhus to Lyngby to Grino, I transfer. Trouble is always following wherever I go. Yeah. Denmark, hindi ba kayo nahihiya sa mga sarili nyo? Ha? Sasabihin nyo na masama akong tao, na kesyo ganito ako. Sa totoo lang, Denmark, nakakaubos na kayo ng pasensya. Ubos na ang pasensya ko sa inyo. Tinatry ko na manahimik. Tinatry ko na lagyan ng cover ang tenga ko. My 2 ears, yeah. Para hindi nyo ako nakikita. So you cannot see me, yeah. So maybe Denmark, maybe I can have a silent life. Alam nyo, Denmark, para kayong mga KSP. KSP kasuka-suka ang ugali. Paulit-ulit kayo. Paulit-ulit. Ang senaryo ng buhay ko, paulit-ulit na lang. Paulit-ulit. Kahit nasa church ako, Denmark, inuutusan nyo yung mga putang inang mga gold digger sa Grino ng mga Pilipina to ruin my day. Wala kayong respeto. Alam nyo kung bakit? Hindi kasi kayo nagsisimba. You didn't go to church. Yeah. And ask forgiveness. Yes. Mamamatay na lang kayo sa impyerno ang bagsak nyo. Bakit? You don't know how to ask forgiveness. The important is you make trouble all the time. You don't know God, but you have a lot of church. Why you didn't burn that, Denmark? Or why you didn't destroy that? Why? It's a fucking useless, yeah. May church kayo, pero ang sasama ng mga ugali nyo. Racist na racist kayo sa akin. Denmark, I'm away now. 1,000 miles away. Yeah. Give me a break. Itong punyetang tenga na to na may camera, kabilaan, you make a lot of conversations. Putang ina mo, putang ina mo, putang ina mo. Hoy mga puta sa Grino. Kung wala kayong magawa sa Denmark, magpatayan kayo dyan. Yeah. You can kill each other, yeah, instead of making noise using that camera, yeah. Siya nga pala, Diyos ko, magpapatayan lang kayo eh. Hindi nyo pa magawa. Para matahimik naman ang mundo ko kapag namatay na kayong lahat. At sasabihin ko ang condolence to all of you, yeah. Nagpapabida kayo. You want to be a popular, yeah. So, kamusta after all that you done? Is it good that you're rich and then Mons is still a miserable life? You're rich. Yes, you're very, very proud that your country is very rich. Pero yung mga pensyonada sa country nyo kawawa. Bakit? Ay, it's hopeless, yeah. Very hopeless, yeah. They feel very hopeless in life. Pensyonada na, nagbabayad pa ng tax. Pensyones, they need to pay tax. Why Prime Minister, they didn't pay tax? Princess, they didn't pay tax. Wow, ang laki-laki ng salary nila every month, but they didn't pay tax. And is you're a fucking unfair, yeah. You are unfair in life. Si Mons, alam mo kung anong ginagawa nyo? Ay, Mons, you need to take medicine, yeah. If we have a silent life, bring Rogelia in mental hospital. Bring Mons in mental hospital. And Janine's life is a bullshit, yeah. You ruin Janine's life, yeah. How you ruin? It's only Denmark Prime Minister and journalist can say that truth. Ano Denmark? Naikwento nyo ba ang katotohanan na binubuli nyo ako nagmula sa estudyante? Na sabi nyo ay gumawa ako ng kalukuhan pero hindi naman. Sa totoo lang ni Denmark, gumagawa ko na ng trouble nyo. You make a lot of troubles in my life, following wherever I go, and then you don't know to tell the truth. Denmark, makapal ba talaga ang mukha nyo? Inaamag na ba talaga ang bulsa nyo? Na pati dito na lang sa aking sariling pamamahay gusto nyo na maging prostitute ako. Denmark, I grow up without a voice in my pussy. Yeah. Respect. If you know how to respect, I will respect you back. But if you don't know how to respect, pack your ass. Yeah. Pack your ass.